Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Janeth's Homebakes. Today I'm going to show you how I made this easy and super yummy no-bake mango cheesecake. Starting from our crust, we have digestive biscuits and melted butter. And for the gelatin, we have water and gelatin powder. For the filling, we have room temperature cream cheese, ripe mangoes, condensed milk, vanilla extract or essence, lemon, zest of lemon, and some juice. And we have whipping cream. Let's start by blooming our gelatin. Just sprinkle the gelatin powder over the water and give it a mix. And set aside for at least 5 to 10 minutes to bloom. Meanwhile, we crush our biscuits using a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin, or you can use a food processor. Mix this with our melted butter. And spread it on the bottom of our springform baking tin. When this is done, refrigerate while we prepare the filling. First up, I'm gonna whip the whipping cream. By the way guys, I'm using a full fat whipping cream here, or you can use a non-dairy whip topping. Just set this aside while we make our cream cheese filling.
Sorry, but don't worry, I'm just fine. Now I'm staring at your hand.
Go ahead and zest your lemon and squeeze about 2 tablespoons of juice. Now our gelatin has bloomed, so we're going to heat this up to a minute on medium-high in the microwave and let it cool before adding it to the rest of the ingredients later. Guys, as you can see, I'm using a food processor to make the rest of my ingredients. I find this way I'll have a smoother batter. Yeah, so just blend the mangoes together with the vanilla and the condensed milk, or if you like, you can use your regular hand mixer or stand mixer. Just blend it for a few minutes Then I'll add the lemon juice. Okay, so guys, so I add half of my cream cheese just to make sure that it's well blended or it's well processed. Here I'm adding my cold gelatin and I'm gonna blend it again until it's super smooth and no lumps. So I'm gonna transfer that into a bowl, a clean bowl, and then I'll add the whipped cream and the lemon zest.
I feel sorry, but don't worry, I'm just fine. Now I'm staring at your hand, and you're not moving anywhere. That in the pictures frame.
Pour the filling into the prepared tins, but I like to line the sides with a clear plastic, or they call this acetate plastic. So I'm just gonna pour the whole batter. For the sides, you can also use parchment paper if you don't have a acetate plastic, or just grease the side of your pan. That would work too.
Another sleepless night. I feel sorry, but don't worry, I'm just fine.
I'm gonna give it a little shake just to make sure that it's nice and smooth, and I'm gonna freeze it for 3.5 hours. For the simple chocolate decoration, I'm melting some chocolate. I use dark chocolate. You can use compound chocolate or a chocolate that is easy to set. Make sure that the chocolate is cooled to about 32 degrees before applying it onto our acetate. Yeah, just spread it. You can apply a thick layer of chocolate. So I'm gonna leave this to set for a few minutes before transferring it to my 5 inches round pan, or if you have a ring, that would be better. You can leave it out to set by itself, or you can pop in the fridge for just a couple of minutes or until it sets, and then you take it out. Now it's time to decorate our cake.
feel cold tonight. All alone, tonight. I'm feeling weakness, another sleepless night. I feel sorry.
When this is done, you can pop it again in the fridge for a couple more hours before
Now
serving.
I'm staring at your hand, and you're not moving anywhere. That way, in the pictures.